HSAI stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Wednesday. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Hesai Group is 18% now, which is sick. I've done well over 39,000 videos, more than anyone else in the space. So my 2 cents on this is that I'm looking to just double down on this bullish chart. Even though we crashed quite hard and the price never gave me a double break here, I still do think that this is going to be the bullish trend that I'm gonna, yeah, I mean, not that I think, I'm gonna still use this as a demand area to potentially take things up if there's a proper shift, because I saw like the power behind it. Yeah, I would prefer if there's like a correct double break here, but other than that, me just randomly buying, I'm just not gonna look to take things up potentially. But yeah, other than that, all I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce. Goodbye.